After fulfilling the goals of the Apollo program, the United States turned its attention to improving human access to space. The result of that effort is the Space Transportation System, America's Space Shuttle, the world's first reusable space vehicle, the most reliable, versatile launch system in the world. From the first operational mission in November 1982, the shuttle has been used to deploy payloads from communications satellites and astronomical observatories that do their job in Earth orbit, to probes bound for other planets like Galileo to explore Jupiter and its moons, and Magellan, which mapped the surface of Venus. But the Space Shuttle provides capabilities far beyond payload deployment. Because it carries a highly skilled crew of astronauts, a shuttle mission in space offers the human touch. With astronauts on orbit, a shuttle mission can execute an intricate rendezvous with another spacecraft, and the astronauts can complete that ballet by bringing two massive spaceships together. Astronauts in space can carry out the tasks of a highly choreographed spacewalk. And when the unexpected crops up during a mission, astronauts can carry out a repair plan. Astronauts can retrieve a satellite after its planned flight and return it safely to Earth. They can capture a satellite, such as the Hubble Space Telescope, and make scheduled repairs before boosting it into a higher orbit. And when plans for retrieving a satellite don't play out, as with Intelsat 6, astronauts can come up with a plan to finish the job. As a space platform, each shuttle orbiter supports a crew of up to 7 astronauts on missions that can last up to 20 days. The astronauts can conduct science on the orbiter's middeck, or float through a tunnel into a pressurized module in the payload bay that provides even more dedicated space for research. The 60-foot-long cargo bay can be set up for a few large payloads or a larger number of smaller payloads, depending on mission requirements. And it provides a space environment for scientific investigation and testing of emerging technologies. Now a mature, reliable system, the Space Shuttle's future includes being the workhorse for assembly of the International Space Station. It will continue to provide a means of in-flight testing of tools and techniques needed to build that station, as well as hardware being developed for use by the crews on board. And in a role honed during the successful Shuttle Mir program, it will provide vital operational support in delivering supplies, equipment, and new crews to the station throughout its life on orbit. No space flight is routine, not a satellite deployment, not a delivery of supplies. And despite its maturity, the Space Shuttle remains a complex system of people and machines. And yet, a system capable of developing the skills needed to advance our future exploration of space.